I'm sure the shock of Traci Braxton's passing hasn't quite worn off, and neither has it for me, but I wanted to share with you what Traci Braxton's mother, Miss EVELYN Braxton, had to say about her daughter's transition. Take a listen. My dear, sweet, wonderful, incredible daughter, we slept in the same bed before she became terminally ill all night, talking while sharing so many secrets. She said with so much strength of faith, "Mommy, I'm going to beat this. My healing is right around the bend." I replied with so much hope, "Absolutely. Oh yes, you will be healed, baby girl, without a doubt." As days, weeks, and months passed, she held on to her determination that she could be an example for someone else, that she could perhaps help them through this heinous disease. As I watched her, her mind grew stronger and more determined. We prayed every day. We repeated Psalm 23 and anointed our heads with oil. Traci maintained God's peace. She never complained. She just knew she was going to get through this. Didn't matter how it looked. Life was hers and she was going to have it. I watched the weight drop off. I watched tears streaming down her face as she held on to her faith and her beliefs. She fought a good fight and held on until she could not hold on anymore, only to realize that sometime healing is not on this side of God's kingdom, but it lies in the other side, in the bosom of God. Yes, we prayed for healing of the body. Traci switched from life on this side to life on the other side. To be absent from the body is to be present with the Lord. Thank you, Lord, for 50 years you have given me and my family and the world with Traci and allowing me to be her mommy. It would always be an empty place in my heart that will never be filled. Although she came through me, but she comes from God. Yes, we will miss her because we love her. Lord, thank you. You loaned to us such a beautiful treasure in vessel that will never be forgotten. No, I won't complain. Look at God forever in my heart. No one could have said this better. Send a word of encouragement to Miss EVELYN in the comment section during this time. And if you haven't already, remember to like the video as it helps to support our channel greatly. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell if you haven't already, and please watch when notified. I'd really appreciate it. Lastly, stay tuned for more, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.